So we are going into the Hollywood cabin, which contains two kitties of the name of Kobe and OJ. And they are up top. Hi guys! Hi! We are brothers, and we have some items in theirs from home to make them feel more comfortable. What are you guys doing? You're so silly. Hi Kobe. Hi OJ. Oh, you guys are so cute. Okay, these little silly kitties. OJ, oh yes, the pets are good, aren't they? Yeah. Oh, hi Kobe. Hi. Hi. Hi Kobe. Hi OJ. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. Kobe, you looking OJ? Yes, you are. So funny. Hi kitties. Hi Kobe. OJ, you're so funny. Oh my gosh, you're so funny. Yeah, you are. Such a funny kitty. Scratches for the Kobe. Have a good day, boys.